Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that often cause the sign-in required loop. Verify your account email and password, and make sure your device time, date, and time zone are accurate. Once done, restart your device and the router. A fresh network handshake can clear cached authentication tokens. Then attempt sign in on a different network, for example, a mobile hotspot, to separate local network issues from account problems. If that gets you through, proceed to the next step to clear stale credentials. Now you clear the stored credentials and tokens that commonly trigger persistent sign-in prompts. First, remove saved passwords and any linked accounts in your system or app settings so you force a fresh authentication. Next, clear browser cookies, site data, and cached credentials. This deletes corrupt tokens that cause loops. Then try signing in again. If the problem persists, use account recovery options or remove and re-add the account entirely. This forces new OAuth tokens. Finish by ensuring your account and device are secure and current. Enable two-factor authentication, confirm recovery email or phone, and update the app or operating system to the latest release so known bugs are eliminated. Once updated, sign in and confirm access on one device, then sync others. If things still go wrong, use this key troubleshooting tip. Attempt sign in an incognito window or on a different device to isolate whether it's a local cache or account-side block. Then act based on where the failure occurs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.